Windows 11, you can enable system protection. System protection is a feature that you must enable manually to allow Windows 11 to create restore point automatically during specific events to protect the current setup. Also, when the feature is enabled, you can create restore point manually before making system changes to protect your system. In the event of critical error, you can use a restore point to recover your computer to a good working state. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to enable system protection on Windows 11. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Open settings on Windows 11. Click on System. Click About. Under the device specification section, click the System Protection option. Under the Protection Settings section, select the System Drive C. And click the Configure button. Select the Turn on System Protection option to enable the driver protection feature on Windows 11. Click the Apply button. Click the OK button. Once you complete the step, the system will be able to create restore point to recover the computer in case problem with system updates, application or misconfiguration. Hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.